beauties, and welcome back to my channel. This is Haitian Chocolate Beauty and welcome to this video. So for this month's Pride Month, I was thinking of doing a very colorful, bold, bright look. I have on a black t-shirt so that the color could pop up some more. It says naps over everything because this is the truth. So I don't know why I do this. Sorry. I think I get it from my dad or some old karate movies or something. But without further ado, I'm gonna start. I'm gonna be talking here and there, showing you some things, but I'm not really going to be saying anything because this process, I'm gonna need all the concentration in the world because whew, this is about to be a good one. So if you're ready to see me slay this, stay tuned. So I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. I'm gonna use Mented Cosmetics Take a Brow Pencil. Again, Mented Cosmetics is black owned, if you are wondering. All right, now I'm gonna go in my LA Girl concealer in the shade Toasted and fix these babies up. Now I'm gonna use ColourPop Brow Boss Gel on these brows. All right, after 15 years later, I have my brows. I like them. They look like sisters, not twins, but it's okay. You don't see it. I do, but you don't. And that's what matters. So I'm using e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Satin Finish and Fair Warm. I was looking for white and I couldn't find white. It's a long story, but hopefully this works fine. I know it doesn't make sense right now, but I promise you it will. I promise. So I'm using a box of crayons, eyeshadow palette. It's by Super. She's amazing. This palette is amazing. I have two of them, by the way. That's how good it is. I'm gonna start in red. Just gonna pack. So right now I'm just packing the colors and then I'll blend it as I go on. I need a Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. And I'm gonna go in orange. Same palette, and I'm going into yellow. Probably like a darker yellow. Now I'm going in blue with the Brazil palette. Just packing it in, blending at the top. Pack, pack, pack. Now I'm going in the same palette, and I'm going on purple. Still same palette, and I'm going in pink. I'm still packing. Now I'm gonna start blending to take off those harsh lines that I created. And now I'm gonna go back in my e.l.f. concealer and I'm gonna cut the crease. All right, I'm gonna use, what am I gonna use? I'm gonna use a clean brush and just blend up top. Now we're just gonna go with red in the inside, we're gonna use the Box of Crayons palette. So I have this NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, and I'm gonna use this orange, just mustardy orange, just to liven up the orange that I already have. Now I'm gonna go into my Brazil palette. Use the yellow. One thing I can say, it's hard to find good yellow. I'm using like 3 different palettes of yellow just to create a good pigmentation. Now I'm gonna use green from the Brazil palette. I'm gonna go to blue from the Brazil palette. I feel like I'm using more of the Brazil than anything. Brazil is so pigmented. Don't sleep on BH Cosmetics because that pigment is real. I decided to go over the green with the Box of Crayons green instead of the Take Me to Brazil BH Cosmetics green because it looks a lot more pigmented. I'm gonna take off some of that color under my eyeballs. That's why I always do eyeshadow first, because this happens a lot. So I'm gonna use my Ioko Black Magic Linden eyeliner and sharpen this out. You guys don't know how steady I had to keep my hand. Oh, Jesus. I'm just doing one side at a time to show you what it's gonna look like. And now I'm gonna use my NYX glitter primer and put that on the lid. FYI, if you're used to doing your makeup a lot, these are so necessary because the strip that's in the palette, this is what this is. And I just use it and wipe it as like a, a dipping place to measure and stuff to have. Believe me, it's worth it. And you just clean it after and hang it to dry. I hang mine to dry with the clip. So now that it's a little tacky, I'm gonna start putting the glitter in. Okay, I love it. Okay, I love it. I went with the BD Jar F16 Hamilton Black by Glitter My World, and I love it. Now I'm just like, oh my gosh, should I do the whole? I'm so excited. Okay, I'm really excited because this is coming out good. This is coming out good. I'm so freaking excited. All right, as you guys can see, I have to clean it all up, but I have the colors, and then the black is all glitterified. I'm using this this small painting brush to kind of brush away the glitter without mixing the colors too much. What do you guys think? So I'm gonna do this other eye. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back and my eyes are all done. As you can see, I use a little bit of mascara. I use the Beauty Bakery Eyelash Icing Mascara. This mascara is black owned, just so you know. So I'm gonna start with primer. I'm gonna use the No Pore Problem primer. And for foundation, I'm only gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me 375 foundation in the shade Java. Now I'm gonna use the LA Girl concealer in the shade Toffee. I'm gonna use Laura Mercier. And powder this bead. Now I'm gonna take my Mented Cosmetic Out of the Office bronzer. And this bronzer pigmented. Just gonna go up the cheeks and the hairline. Now I'm gonna use the NYX Finish Spray just so that it can moisten up the look. Then I'm gonna put some Highlight. I'm gonna use Laura Geller New York Glided Honey. This is an old favorite of mine. It's so pigmented that, whew, to be careful. See that? See what I mean? Bruh. Under my eyes, I was thinking of putting purple because I didn't get a chance to put purple over there. I guess I should have thought more about placement. So I'm gonna go into Brazil again and put purple. So I'm gonna use Jasmine's brown. How do I open this? Laura Linden lashes, because I feel like it won't take away from the look and it'll be great. So I decided to put a little dot here. I had some in my drawer and I was like, I'm not gonna cut that much of the lashes because I still want them to be so dramatic. I'm just gonna cut that little piece that usually pokes your eye out. While I wait for these lashes to get tacky, I'm gonna put on the Mega Last Liquid Catsuit Wet n Wild Black Lipstick Lip Gloss. An idea. I have an idea. So take some of this and put some of the glitter glue on my top lip. No. Oh, dude. I'm about to do both of them. Forget that. Both lips. The look came out amazing. Like, I am in love. I don't think I want to take this off ever. Like, I am super ecstatic. This came out amazing. I love it. I love the lips. I love the eyes. Thank you for your suggestions on this. I mean, we were right here doing this together. Me and you. This is the kind of teamwork that I love. You know? I was like, which one should I pick? And y'all said this one. And I was like, I heard y'all. I heard y'all. You know, we were just vibing over here, and I love that. I love that. And if you want to vibe some more, why don't you hit that subscribe button down there? You know, let that bright red color just it's hurting your eyes, you know? It's just hurting you. So whenever you see it, just press it and let it go away. And you can press the bell next to it and then click all so that you can be notified whenever I post, which is every Wednesday and Saturday. So we together can create these amazing looks together. I am just blown away. Like, if you guys could touch my heart and feel how fast it's beating, oh my goodness. I am just really ecstatic about this look. I love how it came out. I wish I had a wig. I wish I had a whole ensemble and just, whole photo shoot, bam, bam, bam. Well, thank you guys for being here with me. And remember, you are loved, you're appreciated, and you are beautiful. You guys have a wonderful day. Mwah. Bye.